The Quizy Pro Citrus Juicer makes juicing your favorite citrus fruits simple and easy. The ergonomic design ensures maximum juice extraction with minimal effort. The Citrus Juicer includes 2 reamers, a small reamer for juicing lemons, limes, and small oranges, and a large removable reamer for juicing large oranges and grapefruit. The Citrus Juicer also features a clever and unique pulp selector, allowing you to control the quantity of pulp. To use the Citrus Juicer, select reamer size by either removing the larger reamer or leaving it in place. Next, rotate the reamer base 180 degrees to determine the desired quantity of pulp. Place one hand on the handle and start juicing. The Citrus Juicer has built-in measurement markings, allowing you to measure up to 1 cup of juice. Create unique blends of your favorite citrus fruits for recipes, sauces, and drinks. 100% fresh and natural. The Quizy Pro Citrus Juicer, a useful tool for any kitchen.